two kingdoms, one ruled by a tiger and the other ruled by a turtle. Both are like day and night, as each king has their own way of presiding over their lands. The Tiger King was ruthless and vicious in his rule. He consumed many of the inhabitants in his mountain range. As his insatiable appetite grew, his mountain range soon grew barren and empty too. Searching for his next meal, he could not find a single living animal, and so he ventured out of his mountain range and wandered into the neighboring mountains. Here, life was flourishing and food was plentiful. It puzzled him because he did not understand how this was possible. Seeking out the ruler of the lands, the Tiger King was brought forth to the Turtle King. Pursuing new and bountiful lands, the Tiger King ordered the Turtle King to relinquish his lands at once or be mauled to death by him. But the Turtle King would not abandon his kingdom willingly, and so he challenged him to a competition. The Turtle King suggested that the two engage in a foot race down the mountain. The first one to finish would win the mountain range. This greatly amused the Tiger King, and he roared with laughter. "You are so slow, yet you dare to challenge me to a foot race?" The Turtle King simply replied, "Why yes, and if you do not agree, I will even give you a head start. But you must only run when I give you the signal." Hearing this, it satisfied the Tiger King greatly. It would assure him of his victory, so he agreed and lined up for the race. With the Turtle King lined up behind the Tiger King, he shouted, "Start!" and quickly bit down on the tiger's tail. The tiger took off as fast as he could down the mountain. As the finish line was coming into view, the turtle released his grip and was flung right over the tiger's head and across the finish line. The Tiger King could not believe he had lost. Angered, he challenged the turtle to another race. For a second time, the turtle used the same tactic and came out victorious. Unwilling to admit defeat, the Tiger King challenged the Turtle King for a third time. But once again, the turtle would bite down on the tiger's tail and win the race. Defeated and embarrassed, the Tiger King left the mountain range, swearing never to enter the Turtle King's realm again. The tiger, although mighty and strong, could not outwit the turtle, who is slow and timid, but is also smart and cunning. Bring in mind the Hmong proverb, "Sheer strength will never overcome sheer smarts."